Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can simply download and install IrfanView in your computer in a very simple way. What it does, it's an ultra-fast image viewer and batch format converter. So how you can simply download it, it's very simple. You have to open any of your favorite browser and then simply search for Irfan space view space download. And here it is. If you click on this option, you're going to get for the 64-bit, click on that. And after that, you can simply see download IrfanView 64 English. So click on that, click on this. You will going to get the download option over here. After complete the download, you're going to get the setup.exe. If you click on it 2 times to install, click yes for the permission, click next, next, and next, and next, and it's done. So here is right now your IrfanView is rightly open in your computer. You can simply see. Now you can simply open any of your images and you can simply convert it with a different format as you liked. So thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in the videos. Till then, goodbye.